Hi guys, Agatha here from Dolfin RGV. Should I need to fix a pool when I'm going to sell my house? Well, it depends. If you are in a luxury segment, probably it will make sense to fix your pool. But if your house is in a medium range, for our McAllen and the Valley area, if you are under $200,000, probably it wouldn't make sense to fix your pool. Nobody will pay you the premium and you will have to put a lot of money into it. So if you have an old pool, you need to make your numbers to see if it will work. At Dolfin RGV, we buy all houses, all kinds of houses, any condition. If you don't want to make repairs before selling your house, give us a call and we can give you a cash offer for your property. Thank you.